Kiama kia mubira wa maguru gitaro-ini kia Africa nikio Confederation of African Football CAF nigikajite uthurimi wa iharo ithano iri irathi na mbere na kuhariririo ni undu wa ngucanio cia CHAN iri itanyitwo gutabanio guku bururi-ini mwambiririo wa mwaka turorete magiko wa itumi cia kiuteti o ndumwe na ugitiri. Uthurimi uyu urari utabanio muthi wa kana mweri mugwanja iharo-ini cia Nyayo, Kasarani, Kenyatta, Kinoru na Kipchoge Keino mwena wa Eldoret. Gukiri uguo nituranire na uria wari president wa kiama kia mubira wa maguru guku bururi-ini Sam Nyamweya akihinyiriria thirikari irire CAF ati wihaririria uyu ni gukinyanira ihinda-ini riria mekiranire.
As the face that successfully bid to have this tournament, I want to call upon the government to move fast and reassure CAF that we would ban the midnight oil to ensure the completion of all the stadiums in good time.
Nyamweya athite na mbere na kuga ati ona thutha wa gucokerwo gwa githurano kia president moimirira matiagirire kugotomia kana kurugamia mehaririria maya.
May I urge on His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta to personally intervene and save the country of the impending embarrassment that may result from CAF taking the decision to move CHAN 2018 elsewhere.
Kuringana na Nyamweya, bururi uri na uhoti muiganu wa gutabania mathako maya kuna na watabania mahenya ma mbeu njithi itakiritie miaka 18 na mathi mweri-ini wa mugwanja. Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.